Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'm going to show you how to use a share code to replicate a lead capture page in under 1 minute. Very, very simple to do. All you need to do is click the link in the description and join LeadsLeap for free. It can be forever free. You don't have to upgrade to use any of the features I'm going to show you today. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you're going to scroll down here and go to Page Manager. Click on Page Manager, and then this will bring you up the Page Manager details. We're going to click on Add a New Campaign, and we're going to call this campaign YouTube Test, and just add now. And then what you'll see here is the next step. There are tutorials here, side-by-side tutorials for you to go through, and a little search window, but we've done video tutorials for you as well. So next, new campaign added. Next, add a new page to start. So you click on there, add a new page to start. On the right hand side here, you'll see import using the share code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Easy Cash for Ads guide, and if you join our team, we give you all the share codes. So everything's done for you, everything's set up for you. It's just copy and paste. I'm going to come down here and you'll see, oops, bear with me, that's the wrong one. That's the success guide. This is the lead capture page, and page share code. We're going to copy it, so we're going to highlight that. We're going to go Control C, and we're going to go back into, where is it? Okay, here, and we're going to enter the share code there. We're going to go Control V, and then we're going to click on Import Now, and then it's processing, and then there we have. If I click on this link here, it will open up, and then that is replicated. Very, very simple to do. Just copy and paste. And the beauty of these lead capture pages, this is for Easy Cash for Ads. This one is a success guide we've created with Easy Cash for Ads. You'll see there's also an autoresponder share code. So this can be used for autoresponder follow-up messages, or if you're not a pro member in LeadsLeap, you can send out a broadcast manually using these same emails. So the share codes, people sort of say to me, well, do these share codes work? Do the tools in LeadsLeap work? So what you'll see here is these are the results I've had with Easy Cash for Ads. So that lead capture page that I've just shown you and the success guide that you can recreate with just copy and paste and a few clicks has put me $360 into profit with no monthly membership costs and 100% buyers autopilot traffic. And also the same goes with I created this one. You'll see in the bottom right hand corner the LeadsLeap logo. I created this lead capture page with LeadsLeap. So, and this goes to the prosperity marketing system. So the LeadsLeap tools are the tools that I've been using to get the results that I've just shown you now. So they do work. The share codes are great if you're brand new. This is 100% monthly recurring income with the prosperity marketing system. So if you're looking to join me or join our team, then I'll put some links in the description with these lead capture pages where you can get some more information. So LeadsLeap can be forever free. It gives you all the tools you need to build any online business. I'll also put a pinned comment to the comments underneath this video. I've done lots of reviews on LeadsLeap, all the different functions and features. If you're looking to, if you're a beginner or you're looking to get started and you don't want to learn copy and build lead capture pages and set up autoresponder messages, then joining a team like ours will help you Especially I'll give you all the one mentoring and support that you need as well. And if you do join our team, we've got a Facebook group as well with some very experienced affiliate marketers, and we're here to help you use LeadsLeap as a tool to build your online business. And this is with easy cash for ads and the unstoppable viral income done for you funnel. So if you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That helps support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for notification of my new videos. So I've now done over 500 videos on the channel, and I do new content every single week. And so if you want to catch up with me with my new videos, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Any questions or any comments on LeadsLeap, put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all those for you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.